In our previous video, we studied the structure of the human eye and propagation of light through it. There we saw that most of the light which enters the eye is refracted by the outer front layer of the eye called the cornea. What is this biconvex lens do then? It refracts light, but its main objective is to make sure that the image is formed on the retina only. By changing its shape, the lens controls the direction of propagation of light. This ability of lens to change its focal length is defined as the accommodation power of the eye. This is something we see in our previous videos. In this video, we will discuss few of the most common eye defects. Let's start with myopia first. It is one of the common eye defects and it's also called as nearsightedness. It's the condition of the eye in which the nearby objects are visible clearly, but the distant objects are blurry. How does the light propagate inside the myopic eye? Well, the light from the nearby objects travels in the usual way. It's get focused on the retina only. No problem there. What about the distant objects? First of all the light rays from the faraway object coming towards the eye are almost parallel to each other. And when these rays enter the eye, they get converged in front of the retina, instead on the retina. This is the reason for blurriness. But what caused the light to converge in front of the retina rather than on the retina? The larger size of the eyeball is one of the reasons which results in this eye defect. Due to the elongated eyeball, the distance between lens and the retina is more than the usual. Because of this larger distance between the two, the image is formed in front. Well, one thing we must note here is that the lens functions in its usual way. It doesn't work neatly as it's supposed to. The only thing is that the image is formed at different positions. So how do we overcome this eye defect? It can be corrected by using concave lens. We place a concave lens in front of myopic eye. Why concave lens? We know that concave lens diverges the light and these divergent rays falls on the lens such an angle such that they refract and come together on the retina, not in front of the retina. Okay, that was all about myopia. Let's quickly review what we learned. If a person is suffering from myopia, then far away objects are not visible clearly. That because light rays after entering the eye do not converge exactly on the retina. They converge at a point in front of the retina. So, concave lens helps to fix a issue. The rays diverge and refracted rays from the lens falls on the retina. The other most common eye defect is hyperopia. What is hyperopia? And have you heard presbyopia? Watch the next video to know more. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.